This is WAEC 2021 question. We have this question on this board. If 2 over x minus 3 minus 3 over x minus 2 equals p over x minus 3 x minus 2. So now what we are looking for, we want to know the value of p. What is the value of p? What will be the value of p? So therefore, don't have to be confused, right? And don't complicate this problem for yourself. So now neglect this right hand side and simplify the left hand side completely. So therefore, we are going to simplify this. Okay, we'll take the left hand side. Okay, so we're going to take the LCM. To take the LCM is just by multiplying this and this together, right? So x minus 3, x minus 2, right? So now the next thing we are going to do, take this. If this should divide x minus 3, we are going to left with what? 2x minus. We're going to have 2 into bracket x minus 2. Then minus, if this should divide this, we are going to be left with x minus 3. We have 3 into bracket x minus 3. Okay, so now from there, now try to open the bracket completely. So now opening bracket, 2 times x, we have 2x. You use 2 to multiply everything inside the parentheses, minus 4. Then use this one also to open. Minus 3 times x, we're going to have minus 3x. And minus 3 times this is going to bring up plus 9. And divided by, don't open this, just leave it, x minus 3, then x minus 2. Are you following? So now from there, so we can see, let's try to say 2x minus 3x. We should compare or collect the like time. 2x minus 3x is going to give us minus x, right? Then minus 4 plus 9, we are going to have plus 5, then divided by x minus 2, x minus 3, right? X minus 2. So therefore, this is what the left hand side given to us, minus x plus 5, or you said 5 minus x. So now we are going to compare this, minus x plus 5 over x minus 3, x minus 2 equals, so now let's bring it back. Now, for the fact that we have these denominators the same, what we have here is same thing as what we have here. So therefore, by comparison, so it means this is equals to this. So therefore, we are going to have the value of p to be minus x plus 5, or you said 5 minus x. So depend on what you have in your option, right, as the solution. So, and that is the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, kindly share this to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Then follow for more updates. Thank you.